Hey, we're building a tree house. Here we go.
Daddy, what's on this? It's in the big bucket.
You shouldn't stand underneath this thing, kid.
So we've been on this property like 2 years, and our kids always ask, when are we making a tree house? When are we making a tree house? And I always say, you remember what I say?
Nope.
We need a real house before we can have a tree house. So now that we have a real house that's somewhat finished, and we have all this lumber from our scaffolding, let's make a tree house.
Let's do it.
I don't know what it's gonna look like, but shoulder. Keep holding until it catches.
And I did. There's a tree hot.
Oh, it's hot. I got you.
This will not work.
Day one. You thought you were gonna get it done today, didn't you?
It's always like this with projects. You just don't know.
It's all right. It's phase one. Any comments, explanations?
It's like Rapunzel's tower, except for about 90% of it.
What do you think about it?
Good.
You like your tree house?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that is a wrap on our treehouse project, phase one at least. We were very happy with this because we got it done in about a day and our budget was $0. We were able to use all of our leftover scrap, all of our leftover screws, and be able to just get them something that they can play on and get started on. But I have no doubt that in the future, there will be some major add-ons to this.